Man, that's crazy. I'm in a call with two millionaires.
Bruh.
You in a call with a hundredaire nigga and a millionaire.
I ain't no millionaire. Wait, who the millionaire?
You the millionaire.
Dude,
I'm the millionaire, bro. I ain't no
subs.
millionaire, bro. Hell no, am I a millionaire?
You got 1 million subs. That's $1 million.
I got 1 million subbinaire. Does that count?
Nah, you're a millionaire. Don't try to cap. Like,
Bro,
we
I'm
see
not-
the setup.
On
We
God.
see Boom setup. All I got behind me is some shower curtains, bro. That's how you know I'm broke.
Bro, I ain't even got curtains on my shower, bro. You're up on me.
You know what's crazy? Your son probably the millionaire, bro. He should. You know how niggas be millionaires try to call other motherfuckers millionaires? He really the millionaire, bro. He just trying to act broke for us and shit.
Nah, that's cap.
Bro, I could be. Bro, I'm not a millionaire. I did an interview the other day and they were doing the same shit. Like, oh yeah, you're a millionaire. And I was like, bro, I'm trying to be a millionaire. I ain't gonna cap, but I'm not a millionaire, bro. It's hilarious that people think that though.
So
Oh, man.
people, all right, man. You know, I'm not gonna put you on the spot. Like, people don't know that you film every music video in the UK and you got a company on the side.
What do you mean? No. Do you know they say I'm the British Cole Bennett? You know what I'm saying? Low key.
Yeah, man. You just keep
Undercover.
it on the low, but it's all right. We don't got to put your business out there.
I'm really Central C in disguise. I wear a bald cap and I throw on the pink Nike Tech and I just do Central C for a day and then I just come back in here. You know what I'm saying? Switch it up.
What happened to
Yeah,
my
I'm
man
not-
Central C, bro?
Bro, Central C, man, to be fair, he's still the king of the UK. But I feel like he had in the US, like he had his little Doja, I'm not homophobic moment. And then you guys kind of picked him up and put him down again.
Hey, that's America, bro. Yeah, I ain't seen her in a minute, man.
Nah. The US didn't pick him up and put him down. They're just waiting for him to come back.
I mean,
Like, you gotta beat Americans down with like promotion and feeding them for it to like actually stick. Because like Rita Ora had a hit here, and then we tossed her out the balcony like Suge Knight.
That's a celebrity name I hadn't heard in a minute. I can't lie.
Yeah.
Like Rita Ora, she was big for a minute, and then like don't really know what happened.
Well, ASAP Rocky dissed her, and then it was over.
Bruh. Look, let's be real. Like, I feel like, are we ready to have the conversation of like how relevant is ASAP Rocky today in rap?
niggas do not want to talk about that, boy.
You know what I'm saying?
You mean Rihanna's man? Not even is she?
Yeah,
even, he's not
Rihanna's
even
man.
Rihanna's
Yeah,
husband.
Rihanna. You know Rihanna's man, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that dude. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Rihanna's baby daddy. Rihanna's baby daddy.
Oh yeah, I remember, bro. Like what, fucking problems or something like that? Yeah, I remember, bro. Like,
He did like some tour in Sweden or something. I can't remember.
Nah, you want me to keep it a bean? ASAP Rocky fell off when Travis Scott started to pop, bro. Travis Scott is what ASAP Rocky was supposed to be, bro. No cap.
Yo, do you think? I feel like Travis sometimes just sits in his room and he's like, "Damn, bro, like I really beat the ASAP Rocky allegations." Because you remember when people were calling him ASAP and he used to get
ASAP used to get. I don't want to say they was beefing, but ASAP didn't like that shit, bro. ASAP was like, these niggas want to look like me and shit, all that shit.
Because if you check even 2012, right, before Travis was really on, he was dressing just like ASAP Rocky, to the T.
Listen, like I feel
Travis
like with Travis, huh?
Travis surpassed him though.
What by far?
He got more bodies than him for sure.
Way, bro. Somebody said in the chat, "Oh, if ASAP was to drop, he could do 100K first week, bro. That's pushing it. I'm not even gonna lie. That's pushing it,
bro.
He's not even doing 50K.
Okay, chill. I say 80K, but like,
bro,
80K, bro. Testing did 80K, and that was like 5 years ago.
That's what. But testing was ass. But imagine
testing was hard. Testing was hard.
Nah, testing was niggas was cooking testing, bro. Niggas was cooking that shit. I remember when it dropped. Niggas was cooking testing.
Because they didn't have the recipe yet. Like it didn't update on their firmware. If they had the recipe, then they would have understood what he was cooking up. Testing was hard.
Nah, had that song with Skepta on it that was hard, but like
look, let me be fair.
Joint.
When I say testing was hard, it's still ASAP Rocky's work project, but ASAP Rocky just drops like straight fire. That's what I'm saying.
I'm not saying ASAP Rocky's not good. I love Rocky, but I feel like he ain't where he was. And
I think
you're right. Travis ate his lunch for sure, but he did end up with Rihanna, so he kind of does take the W in the long scheme.
Does he?
Does he? When Travis Scott had Rihanna in 2015 and she was holding up rodeo albums?
Did Travis Scott have Rihanna in 2015?
Yeah, she was holding up rodeo albums, like 4 copies in the store.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, there's a pic of it. Damn. But it later came out that she said she was really embarrassed to be with Travis and she didn't want anybody to see her with him.
I'd be embarrassed to be seen with Travis for sure.
That's crazy because damn, he probably can outsell Rihanna. All right, let me chill. I mean, if it was bundles, he could outsell her. I'm gonna keep it a B.
I feel like ASAP Rocky, he's more likely to sell if he came out with like a bundle of like men's underwear or some shit. He might sell 80K. But music,
y'all doing him dirty, bro. I think he can do 80K, bro.
Nah, yo, yeah, you know how crazy 80K is now? 80K 5 years ago. He's not 80K 5 years ago is like 30K now.
Rocky is not outselling YoungBoy. That's not happening.